Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Marksville, local and long-distance movers near me. Skilled local movers will go from room to room packing your belongings. They will endeavor to place them in their packing materials and have them loaded onto their truck. They are familiar with Marksville neighbors and can provide insight into any neighborhood you are moving to. Whether you're going downtown or to the city center, 3 Movers knows the best route to get you there earlier than the average local movers in Marksville, and you can get rest assured that your belongings will not have the slightest crack as they arrive to your new home. Marksville long-distance movers are reliable and will organize a trouble-free cross-country relocation for you. Looking for the best interstate movers to work with? Check out the ones with adequate facilities to ensure your belongings are safe while being transported. Movers like 3 Movers provide spacious hauling trucks where they will ensure that your belongings are adequately covered and spaced to avoid in-transit collisions while on their way to you. They take in-person estimates of your move and provide you with pocket-friendly price quotes. Their affordable yet professional service is one reason why many embarking on long-distance relocations choose to work with them, and you will not have to regret hiring their services for yours. They also have insurance coverage on their activities, protecting your belongings from damages occurred during transition. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Marksville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.